Can you make an octagon or a hexagon? What are you making?
Or a hexagon.
Are you making a triangle? Big triangle?
You want a hexagon? It's a hexagon and pentagon.
Is it a hexagon or a pentagon? What is that?
It's a hexagon.
Is that a hexagon, maybe?
It's a hexagon.
That's a hexagon. Good job.
It's a hexagon, octagon.
That's a hexagon. You made a hexagon. You made a hexagon.
On the hat to play the hat.
Is that a hexagon, octagon?
Is that a hexagon, octagon?
Is it?
It's a hexagon, octagon.
It's a hexagon, octagon.
It's a hexagon, octagon.
Yeah, Maylin.
It's a hexagon, octagon.
Is that what you made?
It's a hexagon, octagon.
Yeah, Maylin.
It's a hexagon.
Hexagon, octagon. Can you make a trapezoid?
You don't want it or more triangle?
Okay, you want to try it? There's a big triangle. Wow, look at the big triangle. Good job, Maylin.
It's a rectangle.
There's a rectangle. Did you just make a big rectangle?
It's a parallelogram.
Wow, you made a parallelogram. Good job, man.
You made a parallelogram.
Yeah, you sure did. That's a parallelogram. Good job, man. And now it's, yeah.
It's a parallelogram.
Parallelogram. Good job, Malin.
It's a rectangle.
And now it's a rectangle. Yeah.
Can you make a trapezoid?
Can you make a trapezoid? Show Mama a trapezoid.
Or a pentagon
Or a pentagon.
or pentagon or hexagon.
Or a hexagon. Whichever one you want to show Mama.
Where's the hexagon? You don't find the hexagon.
Not finding a hexagon yet? Almost got it.
It's a hexagon.
Good job,
It's a
Maylin.
hexagon.
You made a hexagon.
Made the hexagon.
You sure did.
You did it again.
You did it again.
It's a hexagon.
Good job, Maylin.
It's a hexagon.
It's a hexagon.
You like the nose?
Okay.